Welcome to our MDCAT Biology tutorial series. Today we'll be exploring the fascinating kingdom of fungi. This topic is important for your MDCAT 2025 preparation. So let's dive right in. Let's start with an overview of kingdom fungi. Fungi are eukaryotic organisms that include microorganisms such as yeasts and molds, as well as the more familiar mushrooms. The key characteristics of fungi include they are heterotrophic organisms, meaning they cannot produce their own food. They have cell walls made of chitin, unlike plants, which have cellulose cell walls. Their mode of nutrition is absorptive. They secrete digestive enzymes and then absorb the digested nutrients. And they can reproduce both sexually and asexually through spores. Now, let's look at the classification of fungi. Fungi are classified into 5 main phyla based on their reproductive structures. Zygomycota, which includes bread molds like Rhizopus, Ascomycota, or sac fungi, which includes yeasts and morels, Basidiomycota, or club fungi, which includes mushrooms and toadstools, Deuteromycota, or imperfect fungi, which reproduce only asexually, and Chytridiomycota or chytrids, which are mostly aquatic fungi with motile spores.
See the difference for yourself. With consistent use, our lash serum helps enhance the natural growth cycle of your lashes, leading to visibly longer, fuller, and healthier-looking lashes.
Next, let's explore the ecological importance of fungi. Fungi play a crucial role as decomposers in ecosystems. They break down dead organic matter and return nutrients to the soil, completing the nutrient cycle. Many fungi form symbiotic relationships with other organisms. For example, mycorrhizae are fungi that form symbiotic relationships with plant roots, helping plants absorb water and nutrients. Lichens are another interesting example of symbiosis, where fungi partner with algae or cyanobacteria. Fungi are also important in food chains as they provide food for various animals. Fungi also have significant economic importance. Some fungi are directly consumed as food, such as mushrooms, truffles, and morels. In medicine, fungi provide important antibiotics like penicillin, which comes from the Penicillium fungus. They also produce other medications like cyclosporin and statins. In biotechnology, fungi are used in the production of enzymes, vitamins, and citric acid. However, fungi can also cause harm. Some are plant pathogens that cause diseases in crops, leading to significant economic losses. Others can cause diseases in humans and animals. Now that we've covered the key concepts about fungi, let's look at some typical MCAT (MCQ) questions you might encounter on this topic. Here's our first question. Which of the following is not a characteristic of fungi? A. Eukaryotic cells. B. Chlorophyll-containing cells. C. Chitin in cell walls. D. Absorptive nutrition. The correct answer is B. Fungi do not contain chlorophyll and cannot photosynthesize. This is a key distinction between fungi and plants. Chlorophyll-containing cells are characteristic of plants and some protists, not fungi. Let's try another question. Which phylum of fungi is characterized by the formation of spores in a sac-like structure called an ascus? A. Zygomycota. B. Ascomycota. C. Basidiomycota. D. Deuteromycota. The correct answer is B. Ascomycota. The name comes from ascus, which is the sac-like structure where spores develop. Examples include yeasts, morels, and truffles.
Dreaming of MBBS? I chose Stars Academy Lahore for MDCAT prep, and here's why. Chapter-wise tests with video discussions, quarter, half, and full book tests, topic-wise tests.
Stars Academy Lahore is one of the best institutes for MDCAT preparation.
If you want to prepare for the MDCAT, I highly recommend Stars Academy Lahore for their excellent coaching and supportive environment.
Topic-wise tests with detailed explanations. Even past papers are explained chapter-wise. Quick revision? It's all online.